Welcome to my channel. How to log in to VirginRouter. Open a browser and type how to log in to VirginRouter in the address bar. Enter the username, admin and password and click login. Note, the username and password can be found on the sticker on the back of your router. How to change Wi-Fi password and network name. Select your router. Open a browser and type http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Enter the username, admin and password and click login. Select wireless basic settings 2 for G or 5G SID set. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the network name, SID, field and click save changes. Select wireless WPS and security 2 for G or 5G security settings. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the passphrase field and click save changes. Open a browser and type http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Enter the password, change and click sign in. Your default password and WPS PIN can be found on the bottom of your Super Hub. Select wireless network settings a heading. Enter the Wi-Fi network name in the SID field. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the passphrase or security key field. Click Save Setting. For any inquiry visit us wificrunch.com.